couple years ago, we did hear about a cure, or there was talk of a cure, we should say, in relation to a gentleman named Timothy Ray Brown, who is originally from Seattle.
He's originally from Seattle.
He is. He's a Seattleite, indeed. And he's HIV positive, and he also had an acute form of leukemia. And he had stem cell transplant.
In Germany.
In Germany, right.
Too bad for Seattle.
Indeed. Right. So he got this treatment to address the leukemia, and then he stopped his antiretroviral therapy, and his T cell count dropped precipitously. And so some people said that it was a functional cure. So what does that term mean?
People say that he's cured.
Some people say he's cured.
Not functional cure.
So,
because the virus cannot be detected, as far as I know, in his blood anymore. It cannot be detected in different compartments of his body. So it's corresponding more to the definition of cure. Of course, it's impossible to explore all the compartments of the body of Timothy. So we can still wonder whether the virus is not present in very, very few cells in some compartments. However, by all the technologies that we have in hand today, and through the exploration, the tests that can be done in the tissues that could be tested, it seems to be cured.
is this a treatment that anyone can use?
No.
Why not?
No, Timothy had a very, first of all, he received a bone marrow transplant from a very particular donor. The donor has a mutation in one of the major receptors for HIV, CCR5. It's a mutation, we call it Delta 32 mutation. This mutation is mostly present in Caucasian only. We don't find this mutation in African, for example, or in Asian population. So it was a very heavy treatment, because also he received immunosuppressive drugs and so on. We have to find other approach, and I know that it's one of the topics that the scientists here in Seattle is working on, to try to understand, first of all, why Timothy Brown has been able, with the treatment he received, to eliminate his virus, and how we can reproduce by a similar approach, but a different one, the results that was obtained with the bone marrow transplantation. So cell and gene therapy might be an approach to reproduce similar results than the one obtained in Timothy Brown. However, it is going to take some time. It's not for tomorrow. There is progresses. There is progress in technology for bone marrow transplantation. There is progress in modification of genes, and with different approaches that are currently under investigation. And I think we have to try, as we said before. Even if it's look impossible, we have to try.